Hey guys, it's Danielle and Emma again, and we're doing part 2 of Danielle and Emma's cooking show.
Okay.
So first, Danielle.
We're gonna get 2 knives.
So we're gonna get 2 little spoons.
No, 2 knives. Oh, no, 2 knives.
We're getting 2 little mini spoons,
No.
and we actually will be.
No, because we're digging out. Remember, we're digging.
We will be filling some of these up with Smarties, and then on top, I'm gonna finish it off with some whipped cream.
Okay. So
Frosting or whatever.
I'm gonna choose my 6.
Six?
These 1, 2. These are your 6. These are your 6.
Why do I have to have the crunched up one?
No, they're not all crunched up. You said whatever
All right.
one.
So we
Okay.
are gonna do this, and then we are gonna start scooping out a little bit our first cupcakes.
Oh wow, it's pink in there.
We each gonna put 3 in.
No, you just. That's not how you do it.
And we just fill it back in.
What?
Ta-da! Boom! That's how I do it. She just dumped the whole thing in there. You're cheating. That's a really good cover-up. Yeah, she's a good cover-up. Alright, I'm gonna start working on my second one. This time I'm gonna put some
Now
cream
you
in
put
it.
some cream.
Well, you're not supposed to put cream in Smarties. Oh my goodness. It's very messy, you guys.
Okay. And then second.
That's good.
Ooh, gotta cover the mess. Wherever my little spoon is. You gotta cover them. You gotta cover the mess. That's a lot of it. Gotta cover
Alright.
it. Oh, whoa. Yeah, that's not working.
Alright. What are you doing?
This is not working. It's gonna tell you.
So you guys, I'm doing a better job than Danielle right now. She's having some difficulties.
Okay. I'm gonna do my other one. Filled with cream. I'm just gonna do like kind of a circle. Perfect. That. Perfect. Cream.
Excuse me, sorry. Oh my god, you two.
I'm doing a good job, so is she. Danielle, what do you think?
Just a little crazy.
Danielle, what do you think of mine?
I like it.
That's going horrible. I was going horribly okay. Okay.
I'm gonna go in my shower, okay?
Okay.
Oh.
Danielle, what are you doing with yours?
I'm making a circle. I'm cutting in a circle, then I squeeze it, and then it just goes back in. Ah! Everything.
Do you want to do 7 cupcakes?
Why?
Because I don't want 6.
No, I want to do 7. You know the fun part about this? You get to look at the spoon and the knife after. So again, I'm just gonna make a circle like this. Yeah, that totally failed. I'll just keep that on my spoon while I grab some of that.
I did so good on this. Danielle, I did so good. This is not messy at all. See, guys, this is we've been filming for 5 hours. What? 5 hours?
It's 5 minutes and 45 seconds.
Oh, yeah. So, I would say that I'm doing pretty good. Danielle's doing pretty good, too.
I did good.
They're kind of falling apart, and I kind of don't want to do the rest of my cupcakes.
Okay, but I'm gonna show you guys an actual pie one. Okay, so
Oh my goodness, you guys don't listen to her. She's so bad at this. No, I'm going to show you what an actual pie looks like. Those are mine. You can have all the little ones.
what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find. We should have each had a package.
There's just Smarty on the floor back there.
Max.
Find all the red ones. Emma, nothing on the ground.
Danielle, you can't use all those.
Yeah, I can. This is
No, we don't each get our own packs.
whatever. I'm having all the reds.
Whatever.
What? Oh my gosh, Emma! Whoa!
It's a Dorito.
Okay, that's good. Okay, you guys gotta figure out what she's doing so that I know before I leave town.
Danielle, do you want to put her on right now?
Just wait a sec. Okay, so I'm done mine. I'm done mine. Emma is just doing something. But yeah, I'm done mine. I think mine are really good.
That was amazing! It's only my second time being on the video. We're gonna go to the mall for poutine after. We should do a video on the mall. Like through the mall, like, hey, look at this, we're going through the mall.
We'll make a video of us going in the mall.
And
Maybe.
yes, boys.
we'll show you cupcakes. So these were the cupcakes. So this is mine, 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 that's mine. They're terrible. This is Emma's, this is Emma's, this is Emma's, this is... She made a smiley face on there. Yeah, so